If we had to choose one word to describe the theme of our discussions, it would be volatility. We're preparing for a period of greater than usual volatility, mostly as a result of the action in the Middle East, but also as a result of a number of other incidents and things coming on, such as potential Fed action, potential slowdown with respect to employment, and other things going on in the US economy. As a result, we have pulled ourselves to at or near our minimum allocation in all equity areas with the exception of REITs and natural resources. Natural resources we continue to overweight as much as possible, and we are also emphasizing gold within that area. So we're getting a reasonably large exposure at this point to gold as well as to oil, which both are areas that we would like to be in right now. On the REIT side, since we are decreasing our allocation to other equity areas, we wanted to be in an area where we could get some additional income in the portfolio, and putting that additional dollars into REITs as well as fixed income made a lot of sense. On the fixed income side, we're skewing away from long-term bonds, which we've been doing for a while now. We are now emphasizing intermediate-term bonds more than we were before, and we brought that up to our maximum allocation there, while continuing to be as allocated to short-term bonds as we possibly can be. We did make some changes in the holdings that we have. We sold our tech fund, and we did that so that we could put a little bit more into the utility fund that we feel would again add some income into the portfolio and help reduce some volatility. We've also eliminated our holding for the time being in emerging markets so that we are in the developed economies rather than in the potentially riskier emerging smaller markets. And in addition to that, we reduced and eliminated actually our position in senior loans so that we can put more into governments and have our fixed income portfolio more in areas that we consider to be appropriate for volatile periods. While we are preparing for volatility and we are coming across as rather negative right now, it is important to remember that even when we are at our most conservative allocations, we're still 90% of our normal allocation in all of our different segments. So even in our most conservative segments of equities right now, we still do have 90% of what we would normally have there. And so if there are positive developments, you will be participating in those.